So this is the end of the video that I'm recording, just because this portion of the video was supposed to be a part of a weekend vlog, but I'm gonna put it by itself. So welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, because I sure the F did. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so freaking excited. I am so excited. So I got the notification from Spotify. I'm gonna post it on the screen. Tickets were selling fast. And I'm like, I am not sitting far away from Shenseea. No way. I've been to King's Theater in November, so I know how the seat is set up, and I looked at my ticket to see where I was sitting at and the view. So now I'm a little closer. And I'm hyped. I'm freaking hyped. This is, if you know, this is my what? All day, every day. I can't wait. What's on the bus? So I'm here. I'm about to go see my girl Shenseea. I'm so excited. Surprisingly, there's no line outside. Thank God. It starts at 7. It's around, what time is it now? It's like almost 6:30-ish. So yeah, I'm happy. You know, crazy line out here. So I'm inside. It's not early. 6:33. That's a good thing. The concert starts at 7. So I don't know if I'm gonna get something to drink or not.
But the vibe is good already. I'm glad I got here early. I left my house at like 6:10. I live like 6 blocks away, so I'm glad I got here early.
And y'all gonna see where my seat at, cause I already know how to do it good for my sis. Shenseea is one of my favorite artists, so I have to come. Yeah, so this is a solo Saturday night, date night type of thing. I'm ready. That guy caught me on his camera. I was taking a picture of Shenseea and then he caught me on the camera. It's 6:38, so that's some time. So bye. Where's she from? I don't know.
Hours later.
So the concert over, it was lit. I had so much fun, and I'm about to walk home. I'm only 6 blocks away, that's a good thing. But Shenseea did her shit, okay? I had so much fun. I had fun. So I think I'll put this by itself. This vlog gonna be by itself because I was gonna do a whole weekend vlog because I did something yesterday, but this gotta be by itself. It finished around 10 o'clock and Shenseea was headlining, so she was the last artist. And the soca artist was lit too. I mean, I knew about certain soca artists, but I didn't know all of them, I'm not gonna lie. But they all was lit. I got my tickets from January and I was not playing like I'm going by myself, I don't care. And I'm gonna go by myself because I had fun. I met people there, everybody was lit. Everybody sitting next to me was lit. It was so much fun, and she was had mad fun. The Jamaican girls that she had on the stage represented though. They represented, so I don't feel bad. But it was so much fun, so much freaking fun. There was an after party, but I'm gonna take my ass home. I didn't vlog all the footage because I had to enjoy my sis. Like I had to enjoy her because what? That was my first time I saw her in person, and she said it was the first time in the theater. So I had to enjoy her. I didn't vlog everything, every song, but y'all got enough. But it was so much fun. It was so much freaking fun. I had fun. So the thing with me and soca music, like I would know the soca songs, but I would not know who sing them. And I'm like, oh, you the one that sing this, you the one that sing this. But that's it. I'm almost home, thank God. But I had so much fun tonight. I'm glad I finally saw Shenseea in person. That's my favorite dancer. That's my favorite Jamaican artist, female wise. So yeah, I'm glad I got to see her in person performing live. But I guess this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Toodles.